Samsung made waves when they launched the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in July 2024, and then followed it up with the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition in South Korea just a few months later in October 2024. Now, while the Special Edition doesn't directly replace the Fold 6, it's clear that a lot of Samsung's latest foldable innovations have landed right here. But if you were hoping that some of the Special Edition's magic would be passed along to the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7, you might want to temper your expectations. Display expert Ross Young recently shared some insider info, revealing that Samsung is working on a Galaxy Z Fold 7 Special Edition. According to Ross, the Fold 7 SE is expected to have a very similar design to the Fold 6 SE, also known as the Galaxy Fold Special Edition. When asked if the Z Fold 7 would look like the Special Edition, Ross quickly shut down that idea, meaning the next big Fold might not have the same design tweaks we've seen recently. So, what exactly makes the Special Edition so special? The main highlights are its reduced weight and slimmer profile, making it the lightest and thinnest model in the entire Galaxy Z Fold lineup. But here's the catch. Samsung hasn't really pushed the envelope in foldable design in the past couple of years. Meanwhile, competitors are catching up with thinner, more polished book-style foldables that are packing more advanced tech. A lot of fans were hoping the Special Edition's refinements would set the stage for a major upgrade with the Z Fold 7, but it looks like Samsung might be planning to keep two separate product lines, one for the core Fold series and one for the Special Edition. So, if you were hoping for a huge jump in design or features with the Fold 7, it looks like that's not going to happen just yet. Looking at Samsung's release history, we're probably not going to see the next-gen foldables until mid-2025 at the earliest. Of course, leaks and rumors could start to paint a clearer picture of what's coming sooner rather than later. So, what are you hoping for from Samsung's next foldables? Will we finally get a major upgrade, or are we in for more of the same? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, take care.